Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 2 fractions. Lecture number 10. Now, in this lecture, I shall discuss about worksheet question number 1 to question number 5 given on page number 39. In this lecture, I shall discuss about worksheet question number 1 to question number 5 given on page number 39. Now, solve the following questions. Worksheet given on page number 39. Question number 1. Write the following as fractions. A part 6 divide 7 equal dash. Now see, we have to write 6 divide 7 as fraction. Answer 6 divide 7 equal 6 by 7. 6 divide 7 equal 6 by 7. 6 is numerator and 7 is denominator. So 6 by 7 is written as fraction. Now B part. 7 divide 11 equal dash. 7 divide 11 equal dash. Answer 7 divide 11 equal 7 by 11. 7 by 11 is written as fraction. Now C part. 19 divide 23 equal dash. 19 divide 23 equal dash. Answer 19 divide 23 equal 19 by 23. 19 by 23 is written as fraction. Now D part. 37 divide 49 equal dash. 37 divide 49 equal dash. Answer 37 divide 49 equal 37 by 49. 37 by 49 is written as fraction. Now question number 2. Write the following as mixed fractions. A part 19 by 7. Now see, 19 is greater than 7. So 19 by 7 is an improper fraction. So we will convert 19 by 7 to mixed fraction. So we will divide 19 by 7. Answer, we will divide 19 by 7. So divide 19 by 7. Now see, 7 multiply 2, 14. Now we will do subtraction. Now see, 9 minus 4, 5, 1 minus 1, 0. Hence, quotient is 2, remainder is 5 and divisor is 7. So, 19 by 7 equal 2 whole 5 by 7. Answer is 2 whole 5 by 7. Now, C part 95 by 13. Now see, 95 is greater than 13. So 95 by 13 is an improper fraction. So we will convert 95 by 13 to mixed fraction. So we will divide 95 by 13. Answer, we will divide 95 by 13. Now see, 13 multiply 7, 91. Now we will do subtraction. Subtract this. Now see, 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Hence, quotient is 7. Remainder is 4 and divisor is 13. So, 95 by 13 equal, now see, write quotient as whole number, remainder as numerator and divisor as denominator. So, 95 by 13 equal 7 whole 4 by 13. Answer is 7 whole 4 by 13. Now, question number 3. Write the following as improper fractions. write the following as improper fractions. A part 2 whole 1 by 2. Now see, 2 whole 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So we will convert 2 whole 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. Answer. So 2 whole 1 by 2. Now see, multiply the whole number by denominator. 2 multiply 2 and then add numerator to the product. See, 2 multiply 2 plus 1. Right here 2 multiply 2 plus 1 by 2. See, 2 multiply 2 4. So right here 4 plus 1 by 2. Now see, 4 plus 1 5. So right here 5 by 2. 2 whole 1 by 2 equal 5 by 2. Answer is 5 by 2. Now D part 20 whole 1 by 5. Now see, 20 whole 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So we will change 20 whole 1 by 5 into an improper fraction. Answer. So 20 whole 1 by 5 equal 20 multiply 5 plus 1 by 5. Now see, 20 multiply 5 equal 100. So write here 100 plus 1 by 5 and 100 plus 1 equal 101. So write here 101 by 5. 20 whole 1 by 5 equal 101 by 5. Answer is 101 by 5. Now, question number 4. Write one equivalent fraction for each. A part 2 by 3. We have to write one equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Answer. So, we will multiply 2 by 3 by 2. 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 2. Now see, 2 multiply 2, 4 and 3 multiply 2, 6. So, write here 4 by 6. Therefore, 4 by 6 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Therefore, 4 by 6 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now, C part 9 by 13. We have to write one equivalent fraction of 9 by 13. Answer. We will multiply 9 by 13 by 2. So multiply 9 by 13 by 2. So write here 9 multiply 2, 13 multiply 2. Now see, 9 multiply 2, 18 and 13 multiply 2, 26. So write here 18 by 26. Therefore, 18 by 26 is an equivalent fraction of 9 by 13. Therefore, 18 by 26 is an equivalent fraction of 9 by 13. Now, question number 5. Write the following fractions in simplest form. A part 9 by 12. We have to write 9 by 12 in simplest form. So first we will find the factors of numerator and denominator. Answer. Factors of 9 equal 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 12 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now common factors of 9 and 12 equal 1, 3 and highest common factor is 3. So we will divide 9 by 12 by 3. So divide 9 divide 3, 12 divide 3. See, 9 divide 3, 3 and 12 divide 3, 4. So write here 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the simplest form of 9 by 12. Now, B part 24 by 32. We have to write 24 by 32 in simplest form. So first we will find the factors of 24 and 32. Answer. Write factors of 24 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 32 equal 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Common factors of 24 and 32 equal 1, 2, 4 and 8. Highest common factor is 8. So we will divide 24 by 32 by 8. So 24 divide 8, 32 divide 8. See 24 divide 8, 3 and 32 divide 8, 4. So write here 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the simplest form of 24 by 32. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Worksheet page number 39. Question number 2. Write the following as mixed fractions. B part 23 by 12. D part 87 by 12. Write the following as mixed fractions. B part 23 by 12. D part 87 by 12. Now question number 3. Write the following as improper fractions. Write the following as improper fractions. B part 9 whole 1 by 7. B part 9 whole 1 by 7. C part 8 whole 1 by 3. C part 8 whole 1 by 3. Now question number 4. Write one equivalent fraction for each. Write one equivalent fraction for each. B part 7 by 11. B part 7 by 11. D part 11 by 19. D part 11 by 19. These are the questions assigned as homework. Now I will discuss homework solution of lecture number 9 of chapter number 2. Now solve the following questions. Exercise 2F. Question number 3. Ramesh painted a table in 2 whole 1 by 4 hours and a chair in 1 whole 7 by 10 hours. How much time did he take in all? देखो बेटा, रमेश ने पेंट किया टेबल 2 whole 1 by 4 hours में और चेयर 1 whole 7 by 10 hours में. So how much time did he take in all? So उसे कितना टाइम लगा दोनों को पेंट करने में? So what we will do? We will do addition. But first we will write statements. Right answer. Time taken to paint a table equal 2 whole 1 by 4 hours. Time taken to paint a chair equal 1 whole 7 by 10 hours. So total time taken equal 2 whole 1 by 4 hours plus 1 whole 7 by 10 hours. 2 whole 1 by 4 hours plus 1 whole 7 by 10 hours. Now write 2 whole 1 by 4 plus 1 whole 7 by 10. Now see, both are mixed fractions. So first we will add their integral parts, that is 2 and 1, and then we will add their fractional parts, that is 1 by 4 and 7 by 10. So write here equal 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 10. Now see, 2 plus 1, 3. So write 3 here. Now see, 1 by 4 and 7 by 10 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 4 and 10. So we will find the LCM of 4 and 10. So write 4 and 10. Now see, 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see, 2 multiply 2, 4. 2 multiply 5, 10. Now see, this 2 is divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see, 2 multiply 1, 2. Write 5 as it is. Now see, this 5 is divisible by 5. So write 5 here. Write 1 as it is. 5 multiply 1, 5. So LCM of 4 and 10 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Now see 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 5, 20. So write 20. So LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. Now write 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 10. Now see 2 plus 1 equal 3. So write 3 here. Now see LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. So write 20 in denominator. Plus write 20 in denominator. Now see 20 divide 4 multiply 1 plus 20 divide 10 multiply 7 bracket close. Now see 20 divide 4 equal 5 and 20 divide 10 equal 2. So write here 3 plus 5 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 7 by 20. Now see 5 multiply 1, 5 and 2 multiply 7, 14. So write here 3 plus 5 plus 14 by 20. Now see 5 plus 14, 19. So write here 3 plus 19 by 20. Now 3 plus 19 by 20 equal 3 whole 19 by 20. 3 whole 19 by 20. Thus 2 whole 1 by 4 plus 1 whole 7 by 10 equal 3 whole 19 by 20 hours. Answer is 3 whole 19 by 20 hours. Now question number 5. Gopal had 100 kilogram of wheat in his shop. He sold 54 whole 4 by 5 kilogram of it. How much wheat was he left with? देखो बेटा, गोपाल had 100 kilogram of wheat in his shop. उसकी शॉप पे 100 किलोग्राम ऑफ wheat है. उसने wheat 54 whole 4 by 5 किलोग्राम बेच दिया. So उसके पास कितना wheat बचा? हम क्या करेंगे? We will do subtraction, but first we will write statement. Answer: total weight of wheat equal 100 kilogram. Wheat sold equal 54 whole 4 by 5 kilogram. Wheat left equal 100 kilogram minus 54 whole 4 by 5 kilogram. 100 kilogram minus 54 whole 4 by 5 kilogram. Now write 100 minus 54 whole 4 by 5. 100 can be written as 100 by 1 and 54 whole 4 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So first we will change into an improper fraction. So we will multiply 54 multiply 5 plus 4 by 5. So multiply 54 multiply 5. 54 multiply 5. See 5 multiply 4, 20. Write 0 here and 2 carry. 5 multiply 5, 25 plus 2, 27. So write here 27. 54 multiply 5 equal 270. 270 plus 4 equal 274. So write here 100 by 1 minus 274 by 5. 100 by 1 minus 274 by 5. Now see 100 by 1 and 274 by 5 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 1 and 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 equal 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now write 100 by 1 minus 274 by 5. Now see LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So write 5 in denominator. Write 5 in denominator. Now divide 5 divide 1 multiply 100 minus 5 divide 5 multiply 274. Now see 5 divide 1 equal 5 and 5 divide 5 equal 1. So write here 5 multiply 100 minus 1 multiply 274 by 5. Now see 5 multiply 100 equal 500 and 1 multiply 274 equal 274. So write here 500 minus 274 by 5. Now 500 minus 274 equal 226. So write here 226 by 5. Now see 226 by 5 is an improper fraction. So first we will change into a mixed fraction. So we will divide 226 by 5. So divide 226 by 5. Now see 5 multiply 4 20. Now we will do subtraction. See 2 minus 0 2 and 2 minus 2 0. Now take next number, that is 6. Number becomes 26. Now 5 multiply 5 25. Now we will do subtraction. 6 minus 5 1 and 2 minus 2 0. Hence quotient is 45, remainder is 1 and divisor is 5. So write here 45 whole 1 by 5. Thus 100 minus 54 whole 4 by 5 equal 45 whole 1 by 5 kilogram. Answer is 45 whole 1 by 5 kilogram. Now question number 7. Jayanti filled 7 whole 1 by 4 liter of petrol in her car in the morning. In the evening, 5 whole 1 by 5 liter of petrol was left in the car. How much petrol was consumed? देखो बेटा, जयंती ने फिल्ड किया 7 whole 1 by 4 liter of petrol in her car मॉर्निंग में और इवनिंग में 5 whole 1 by 5 liter of petrol बच गया. Then how much petrol was consumed? So what we will do? We will do subtraction. But first we will write statement. So write answer. Petrol filled in the car equal 7 whole 1 by 4 liter. Petrol left equal 5 whole 1 by 5 liter. Petrol consumed equal 7 whole 1 by 4 liter minus 5 whole 1 by 5 liter. 7 whole 1 by 4 liter minus 5 whole 1 by 5 liter. Now write 7 whole 1 by 4 minus 5 whole 1 by 2. Now see both are mixed fractions. So first we will change into an improper fraction. See 7 whole 1 by 4 equal 7 multiply 4 28 plus 1 29, that is 29 by 4. Next 5 whole 1 by 2 equal 5 multiply 2 10 plus 1 11, that is 11 by 2. So write here equal 29 by 4 minus 11 by 2. Now see 29 by 4 and 11 by 2 are unlike fractions. So first we will find the LCM of denominators, that is 4 and 2. So find the LCM of 4 and 2. Write 4 and 2. Now see 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see 2 multiply 2 4, 2 multiply 1 2. Now see this 2 is divisible by 2. So write 2 here. Now see 2 multiply 1 2. Write 1 as it is. So LCM of 4 and 2 equal 2 multiply 2 equal 4. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now write 29 by 4 minus 11 by 2. Now see LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So write 4 in denominator. Write 4 in denominator. Now divide 4. Divide 4 multiply 29 minus 4 divide 2 multiply 11. Now see 4 divide 4 equal 1 and 4 divide 2 equal 2. So write here 1 multiply 29 minus 2 multiply 11 by 4. Now see 1 multiply 29 equal 29 and 2 multiply 11 equal 22. So write here 29 minus 22 by 4. Now see 29 minus 22 equal 7. So write here 7 by 4. Now see 7 by 4 is an improper fraction. So first we will change into a mixed fraction. So we will divide 7 by 4. So divide 7 by 4. See 4 multiply 1 4. Now we will do subtraction. See 7 minus 4 3. Hence quotient is 1, remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. So write here 1 whole 3 by 4. 1 whole 3 by 4. Thus 7 whole 1 by 4 minus 5 whole 1 by 2 equal 1 whole 3 by 4 liter. Answer is 1 whole 3 by 4 liter. Thank you. Have a nice day.